Champion, morning po to everyone. We are really honored and grateful to be part and to be partnering with the Pilipinas Karate Federation for this momentous event this year. So, I was talking to Sir Ricky earlier, sabi ko, when we were invited, ang dami po nag-flashback sa akin. 2 years ago, we both celebrated 60th year. 6 years of Milo and also AAK. And then last year, we had our first karate sa Velodrome in Tagaytay. And now, palanong pambansa, part ng karate. So really, congratulations for all these milestones. And nagbibiroan nga kami when we started to share about the grassroots to greatness. And then under the PSC, ang ganda din yung sinabi nila, from grassroots to gold, from gold to greatness. And parang kinukumpleto na ni Sir Ricky dahil sa mga shinare niya, from grassroots to global. Yan ang level na binibigay niya ng grupo nila, Sir Ricky. So really, we congratulate you for this feat. And truly under your servant leadership, Sir Ricky, this event has become from grassroots to global platform, from young athletes to shine for our communities, lalo na for the Filipinos. No? Nakaka-proud pag nakikita natin yung ating mga atleta na talagang binawagayway yung ating pambansang watawat. And more than that, they carry the values, they carry their being Filipino. So for us, for Milo, we still stand true with our brand purpose of nourishing kids' journey to success with nutritious energy and the inspiration to grow in sports. So we strongly believe that sports is a great teacher. Ito po yung paulit-ulit natin na nakikita. And even our parents and our moms would agree with me on this. No? We learn discipline, we learn grit, even the kids as young as they are. So you can count on us, and we are dedicating to commit in empowering our next generation, nation builders through sport. So again, as we embark on this exciting journey, we share with you, Turkey, and to the rest of our partner stakeholders, our support to the broader community. And we also thank each organization and even individuals like you, our partner, media partners, for your dedication, teamwork, and passion. It's really through our joint efforts that we can really make a mark and a legacy na gagawin natin. So this 2026, like President Bambol mentioned, it's another full and action-packed year for 2026, and we are really honored to be partnering with this Karate One Youth League event in Manila. So thank you very much on behalf of Milo Philippines. Thank you, and more power po to Karate Philippines.
Thank you.